Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to choose measurement units in the Maps.me app on your phone. If you prefer seeing distances in kilometers or miles, this video will guide you clearly through the process. By the end of this video, you will know exactly. First, open the Maps.me app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the More option. Then, select Settings from the list that appears. After that, find the option labeled Measurement Units and click on it. Now, you will see two options, metric or imperial. Choose the unit system that you prefer. Metric will display distances in kilometers and meters, while imperial will show miles and feet. Finally, once you make your selection, your Maps.me app will automatically use the chosen measurement units for all distance displays. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.